Hey everyone, Ryan Hillard here with the Forward Mortgage Group powered by Mac 5 Mortgage, and today I want to talk about a great tool that we have available to us as brokers called an appraisal waiver pre-check. And what this is pretty much exactly what the name implies. It gives us the ability to go out to the UWM site, United Wholesale Mortgage, which is one of the better lenders out there that we send a lot of loans through, and they help protect us as brokers by a number of ways and help us be more efficient. One of the ways that they allow for the efficiency, and there's a lot of them, is by allowing us to go out and see, before we go under contract on a property that we're looking to purchase, can we get an appraisal waiver for that? Or before we're going to do a refinance, can we get an appraisal waiver? And just make the process a little bit easier, save a little bit of money, and in the aspect of going on a purchase, makes us a little bit more competitive, especially if we're up against multiple offers, where maybe we can say that we don't need the appraisal because we have this in our back pocket already. So it's really simple, and it's the first thing that I do every time anybody says that they're looking at a property, or if they're looking at a couple different homes, or getting ready to put in an offer on a home. So what we do is just go to the site of UWM and click on their appraisal waiver pre-check. I enter in a property address right here and enter in the city, whether it's Denver, Littleton, Highlands Ranch, you get the idea, the state obviously, and the zip code. Go down here, select the transaction type, in this case, let's see if it works for a purchase, and all I've done is gone out to one of the online sites, typed in a zip code, and used the first address that comes up. And so in this case, I check the eligibility, let it run its thing in the background, and so we can see that the LPA, which is a Freddie Mac product, we will not get it from that, but on DU, or Desktop Underwriter, which is Fannie Mae, we'll get it if we run it through the Fannie Mae. And it'll tell us the maximum loan amount that we'll be able to qualify for in order to still get the appraisal waiver. So you can see why we'd want to use this tool and how it helps us be a little bit more competitive and a little bit more efficient. And everybody likes saving some money, so right now appraisals are probably somewhere, let's just say around $600, $650, give or take. And so it allows us to put that money into the borrower's back pocket instead of paying another third-party fee. And again, it helps us be a little bit more competitive with our timelines and how we compete for an offer. Now, in addition to using it for a purchase, like I had mentioned, we can also use it on a refinance. So I'm just going to keep the same property type in there for right now, and rather than purchase, I'm going to go up and say, let's do a rate and term refinance, and we'll check the eligibility, we'll see what happens, and in this case it actually doesn't come out. Now that's okay, because the next thing that I would do once we decide we're moving forward is I have the ability to simultaneously run through both the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac automated underwriting systems, because even though it might not come up here, there's a chance that it would still come up there. And so we want to just make sure that we're exhausting all the options and possibilities of what it might look like in order to be more competitive, save a little bit of money. So I can tell you that just last month, of all the loans that I did 3 of them that actually had property inspection waivers. So we did not require an appraisal on 3 of the loans that I did last month. 2 of them were purchases, 1 of them was a refinance. It made everything happen just a little bit smoother and made the customers just a little bit happier because they knew that they were saving that money. So if this is a tool that's beneficial for you, whether you're purchasing or refinancing, I'd love to have a conversation and see if there's a way that we can help put a little more money in your back pocket as well. That's it, and hope you have a great day.